Been told you need a crown? Before you agree, let's talk about Onlays. They're one of the best kept secrets in modern dentistry. A crown covers the whole tooth, even the healthy bits. An onlay only replaces what's broken, keeping most of your natural tooth. At OptiSmile, we use 3D scans and digital precision to design onlays that fit perfectly. No guesswork, no overtreatment, less drilling, more tooth, better long-term results. Crowns are still useful, especially after root canals or big fractures. But if an onlay will work, we'll always choose that first. We call it gentle dentistry, and your tooth will thank you for it. Book your digital consultation today or start with a free video call. We'll help you choose the best option without pressure. See you at OptiSmile.